Hey guys, Mr. Perryman here with your second video, and this one I'm going to actually go over kind of how the weekly writing will work and what I'm looking for you guys to write and kind of how to real quickly just go over the mechanics of it all. So when you're doing this, again, in the last video I kind of went over some of these things, but I want you to look at the prompt. My prompt here is it wrong to quit? What you'll do first is you need to do the Monday work, right? Even though it's not the day you're doing it on. I get that, it's fine. But what I'm looking for is you to give me pros and cons for this prompt. Is it wrong to quit? Pros to say, yes, it's wrong to quit, right? Reasons for it being wrong and reasons against it being wrong. Like, no, you can quit, or yeah, it is wrong. And you want to write reasons, and I ask you to highlight your reasons that you're going to use. I asked you to do that because it's going to help you when you're down here writing more. So reasons it's wrong to quit, yes or no. So I'm going to say, for me, I want you to give 3 of each. I'm not going to give 3, but what I would say is, for my reasons, I even have them down here, but you'll write them out and highlight them. So I'm going to say this one is my reason 1, and I'm going to highlight it blue, right? Text color, highlight it blue for me so I can tell, oh, these are the ones you chose. If you were writing the opposite claim, saying like, no, you can quit. No, it's okay to quit. No, it's not wrong. You would still do that. Highlight the reasons you're going to use in your argument, okay? Highlight this one, highlight the 2, make them different so you know which one is which. I'm just going to delete as I go. Over here into your introduction paragraph. Now, an introduction paragraph is meant to introduce you, your reader, to what you're talking about and what you're writing about and why you think what you think. So you're going to start off with a yes or no, like answer the claim. Let me know your opinion. I give you these, the stem, like, in my opinion, yes, or I think this, however you want to say it. I wrote mine this way. I said, in my opinion, this is an opposite one. Sorry, this is combined. In my opinion, I would say, in my opinion, yes, I think it is wrong to quit. Quit. Now I give my reasons for this. This is your thesis statement, right? This is in an ACE paragraph, it's citing the reasons. That's it. This intro paragraph is 2 sentences, but it's essentially an ACE paragraph without that E part. This is because you can become something great and you can make new friends. What I did was I highlighted my reasons. I want you guys to highlight your reasons in this. Again, just because it helps you. These reasons I got, they were from my pros and cons list. That's all I did. That's why I highlighted them up here too, so I can just know exactly what I'm using. So give me your reasons. You need 2 reasons, 2 distinct reasons, very different things, all right? And I give you some stems as well. And then you're going to do the ACE body paragraphs. You have 2. Your first body paragraph is about your first reason. Your second body paragraph is about your second reason. It's pretty simple. They look pretty much identical. But for this, you'll write it. It's an ACE paragraph. Answer the question with your reason, number 1. Give me an example of it and explain it to me. And here I've given you plenty of sentence stems to pick from. 1 reason to support my claim is this reason. Or 1 reason for this is this reason. Or the first reason for this is this reason. In mine, I said 1 reason to support my claim is that you can become something great. For example, remember the example, cite your example and evidence. Give me an example of it. Make it detailed. For example, if I quit doing things that were hard, I never would have won my belly flop contest and become an international champion. True story. It's not a true story. This isn't a real story, but you don't have to like necessarily tell me the truth. I'm giving you a personal example to try to convince you, right? And this is very detailed and very explicit. And I explain it by saying this shows that if you can become something, or that you can become great at new things, because if you quit, you'll never know if you excel at it. If I had quit trying to be good at belly flops, I never would have gotten good at belly flops and become an international, worldwide famous belly flop champion. And then the same thing for the second reason. Now, on your current one, you don't write beyond here. You have to do counterclaims and editing on other days, but not for this assignment. You're stopping here. So I want you to do pros and cons, intro paragraph, and 2 ace body paragraphs. It's really not a lot of sentences. It's actually only 8 total sentences. Other than that, you guys got it. If you have any questions, please email me or call me or do whatever you need to. Thanks, guys.